What's up, you guys? Hey, I'm Kaiden Johnson from Growing Up Garage, and this video is powered by Well-Tech Designs. They helped me finish my awesome race car, and it looks absolutely awesome. And here is round 4 at Barona Speedway. I'm super excited to be driving today. I've got my friend Jacob over here. And then where's Tyler?
Hello.
And then I've got Tyler with me, and he's gonna be driving his car, his mini dwarf, and let's get to racing. fully covered. What do we have to do with you? Wait,
hey, Bryson. Congrats.
What's that, your 6th time? 5th.
Good job, Bubba.
You're doing good, bud. Did you see mine start shooting out? You win? Oh, yeah. Oh, 2nd. Did you see my bottle start to go open as I was counting? Like, nice job, Bryson. 2, 3. Oh! Nice job. No, we don't know who got 3rd. Oh, so you guys are excited for I don't know this new 91 kid. He said I got 3rd, and then he said I got 4th. It's the old guy. We have to wait for somebody to ask. I think it's number 8 car.
Yeah.
I was like, where in the world is him?
Do you see what happened? Do you see what happened to his car?
What the? That whole snap right
That's what
up.
happened to his car. That's why he couldn't keep going.
It's still
Sorta.
I could face the race. Not illegal, but I could have faced the race. You'll just have your dad pushing you across the line.
Dude, we're all gonna be in our trailers looking at it.
Works perfectly. I just can't turn that well.
Guys, get out of the road.
And also, just on that one
Hey,
line.
good job, buddy. See you tomorrow, okay?
One again.
Huh? Good job. You got 2nd.
Maybe 3rd.
Maybe 3rd? Hey. Top 3, right? New car.
No, it's 1st.
Where's Tyler?
Good job, Kaiden. There you are.
Let me see. That's cool. I would like to thank my mom, happy birthday. Well-Tech Designs, Growing Up Garage, Steal It, Fine Line Graphics, Bink Designs, Next Gen, and I think that's basically it. And all my fans for supporting me. So this race was awesome. We finished 2nd in the car, and I want to just thank the crew of Well-Tech for finishing my car, and it looks awesome. And I also want to thank Kelly Weisel for helping my dad finish the car. And I also want to wish my mom a happy birthday. And I want to thank Well-Tech Designs, Growing Up Garage, Steal It, Fine Line Graphics, Big Designs, and Next Gen, JH Motorsports. And that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later. Oh yeah, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. See ya.